and welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how to crochet these berry bobbles. I'm Eleonora, the designer behind Coastal Crochet. So these two coloured berry bobbles, I call them berry bobbles because as you can see they definitely have a hint to a strawberry, and obviously if you use a different colour other than red you could make them into blackberries, all kinds of berries. They're made in exactly the same way as these solid contrasting coloured bobbles. I've done a separate YouTube tutorial to show you how to crochet them. So they're made in exactly the same way, but obviously by using two colours you get the berry effect. You can see them here in my picnic on the beach blanket. This is a blanket which I'm hosting over on my website www.coastalcrochet.com, but of course you can use these berry bobbles in all kinds of crochet projects. Here you can see them in the finished picnic on the beach blanket. I did some berry bobbles in the corner and then also in the centre of each row as well. And then here you can see the bobbles in a solid piece of double crochet US single crochet rows wrapped around a jam jar, and then perfect as a crochet hook holder. So lots of possibilities for these berry bobbles, and I'll show you how to make them. So here I'm making the berry bobbles in my picnic on the beach blanket, and we're going to start the round with just one chain, which counts as our first double crochet US single crochet stitch. And now I'm going to go straight ahead and make a berry bobble now. Obviously you can use these berry bobbles in all kinds of crochet work, but on my picnic on the beach blanket we're doing one now. And so leaving the main colour yarn on the hook, just let that go behind the work slightly to the right because we don't want that to get trapped in the bobble. And then with your first colour, yarn F, so this will be the green colour, the green part of your bobble, just place that yarn over hook like so. And secure that with your finger just to keep it nice and in place. And now all the following are going to be made into the same stitch. So we've placed our green contrasting coloured yarn over the hook. Now insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop to the front, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops on the hook. And now we'll repeat that another time. Yarn over hook, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. So now at this point you've got 2 green coloured loops on the hook and 1 main colour. Now just like with the main colour, we're going to let the green colour fall to the back, just hold it to the right because we don't want it to get trapped in to the bobble. And now we're going to join with our third colour. So this is the berry part of the colour. So for strawberries it could be red, obviously you've got blackberries, could be other colours, all kinds of different colours. And place it yarn over hook like so and secure it with your finger. And now we're going to do just like before, yarn over hook, which is what we've done. We've secured that with our finger. Insert our hook into the very same stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. And we're going to repeat that 3 times more, so there'll be 4 times in total. Yarn over hook, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. Bit of a snag there. There we go. Yarn over hook, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over hook, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. And now at this stage you'll have 4 of the berry or red coloured yarn loops on the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 of the green colour, 1, 2 and 1 main coloured piece of yarn loop on the hook. And so now let the third colour go and locate your main coloured yarn at the back, bringing that round, and with this colour we're going to do yarn over hook and pull through all the loops on the hook. And so there you can see we've made a bobble just like you make standard bobbles, but by using 2 colours we get the berry effect. And so now we carry on with double crochet US single crochet stitches into the next stitch. Try and do this as tightly as you can to really secure the bobble, and you may need to just push that bobble, pop it through to the front, and there's the first berry bobble. So I'll show you how to do another one. I've gone round the corner on my picnic on the beach blanket square, so ready to do my next berry bobble. So let your main colour go and let it go behind the work and just slightly to the right because you don't want to trap it in the bobble. And get your green coloured yarn, place it yarn over hook, just securing it with your finger. And now all the following is going to be done into the same stitch. So insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. Repeat that one more time, yarn over hook, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. So now you've got one main colour, loop on the hook and then 2 of the green colour. Let your green colour go and now get your berry coloured yarn, place it yarn over hook like so, and then all continue to do all the following into the same stitch. So insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. Repeat that 3 more times, yarn over hook, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook, pull through 2 loops, yarn over hook, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. One more time, yarn over hook, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook and pull through 2 loops. And so just like before, now you should have 7 loops in total, 4 berry colour, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 of the green colour, 1, 2 and 1 main colour loop on the hook. Let your contrasting colours go, locate the main colour yarn to the back of the work, get that ready to crochet with that, because now it's yarn over hook and pull the main colour through all the loops on the hook like so, and that's our next berry bobble. And so we carry on with double crochet US single crochet stitches. Really do this first stitch quite tight to really secure the bobble into place. Might need pushing through to the front, and then carry on with some double crochet US single crochet stitches. These bobbles really do sit best in a row of shorter double crochet US single crochet stitches. And so there we go. There I have made 2 berry bobbles. Like I said before, they're made in exactly the same way as the contrasting coloured bobbles, but by using 2 different colours of yarn, you get the berry effect. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.